Hi students, my name is Ankush Gupta and I welcome you all in our YouTube channel Race Coaching Institute, Bangalore. So this is a daily dose video where I will be discussing 10 questions based on very important topic of logical reasoning for upcoming exam of IBPS RRB prelim. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss 10 questions based on syllogism topic. So let's start the video. So this is the first question of the class and you can see there are two statement and two conclusion and all the 5 possible options are given above. So let's start the question, solving question. First statement, only a few well are met. So we will draw it. Only a few well are met. So this is how to draw it. So only a few well are met means some well are met, some well are not met. So this black part represent the not part and this yellow part represent some part of well is not met. Okay, so next is all pillow are met. So we will draw all pillow inside met. So this is the Venn diagram for this statement. Now read the conclusion. So first conclusion is all well can never be pillow. So this conclusion is true. Why? Because if I put all the well inside pillow, this negative part will also come inside the pillow, and as we can see, this negative, this black part cannot be the part of this mat. So if I put all the well inside pillow, this will also become the part of mat, which is not true. It implies all well can never be pillow. So this conclusion is true. If we talk about second, at least some pillow are well. So at least some pillow are well. This is not true because there is no relation, there is no direct relation between well and pillow. So this is wrong. So what is our right answer? Option A. Second question, some pins are spring. So some pins are spring. Okay, so only a few springs are needle. So only a few spring are needle means some spring are needle and some spring are not needle. Next, no needle is a pin. So again they are talking about what? Now they are talking about negative relation between needle and pin. So I will draw pin here. We can also mention it here, but for clarity I will draw this pin here. This pin is also pin and this is also pin, and we have a negative relation here between pin and negative relation means none of the part of this needle belongs to this pin. So this will be the diagram. So I have drawn it with green part. Okay, green part. So green part does not belong to each other. Now read the conclusion first. All needle being spring is a possibility. So all needle being spring is a possibility. Yes, we can place all the needles inside the spring. Why? Because some part of spring is not needle. Okay, but there is no negative part which of needle with respect to spring. So all the needle I can put inside spring. So this conclusion is true. Second, some spring are not pins. So here we can see this is the part of spring which is in relation with needle and positive relation. So this is a part of spring and this is in negative relation with the pin. So we can clearly see here some part of spring is not pin. So this statement is also true. So what is our right answer here? Option E. So here is the third question. So what is the first statement? Only a few pink are yellow. So only a few means some pink are yellow and some pink are not yellow. So this black part is the part which does not belong to yellow. Next, only a few yellow are red. So again some part of yellow belong to red and some part which I am drawing with black does not belong to yellow. Next, only a few red are white. So only a few means some red are white, some red are not white. So again I have represented it with the black line. So this is the diagram. So what is our first conclusion? Some white are pink is a possibility. So some white is here in the green circle and pink is here, and we can see there is no relation, no positive relation, no negative relation. So whenever there is a no relation in between two element, we can have any possibility. So some white or pink is a possibility. Yes, this is possible. Second, all white are yellow. So all white is here in green circle and yellow is in red circle. So we can see there is no positive or any negative relation between yellow and white. So whenever there is no relation between any two element, no definite conclusion is possible. So this conclusion is false. So what is our right answer? Again, option A. So this is the fourth question. Only a few books are pen. So some books are pen and some books are not pen. Next, only a few pencil are pen. So I will represent pen with pen, and only a few pencil are pen. So this is pencil, the blue one, and only a few means some part of pencil is pen and some part of pencil is not pen. So this arrow indicating, see, be careful here. So it means some part of this book does not belong to pen and some part of book belong to pen. Here some part of pencil does not belong to pen and some part of pencil belongs to pen. Third statement, no pencil is marker. So no pencil is marker. So here is pencil, we will draw a marker, and with marker we will draw a negative relation. So how we draw a negative relation? By drawing a line joining both the element and put a cross. So you can see all this green part of pencil does not belong to marker, and all the green part of marker or all the part of marker does not belong to pencil. Next, some marker is orange. So some marker is orange. So some marker is orange. So this is the diagram for this particular question. So now what are the conclusion? Some marker or pen is a possibility. So here I have marker and here I have pen, and we can see here this white part represent the possible area. So if we have this white or empty zone in any element, means there is a chance of possibility. So this marker can be a part of pen here. So some marker or pen is a possibility. Yes, this is a possibility. Second, some books can never be marker. So here we can see this is book and this is marker, and can never be is a definite case. So whenever any two element have no relation between them, we cannot have any definite relation. So some book can never be marker is false. So what is our answer? Option A. So let's draw the next question. Only a few beaches are delta. So only a few beaches means some beaches are delta and some beaches are not delta. Okay, here this represents some relation, this represent some not relation. Next, only a few delta are river. So now some delta are river, some delta are not river. This is how we represent some not, only a few case. Third, no river is wave. So river, and what we have to draw? A wave. So here I will draw a wave and there is no relation. So we will put a cross mark. It means none of the part of river belongs to this wave. So this is the diagram. So now check the conclusion. First, all deltas can never be wave. So where is delta? Here we have delta, and we can clearly see some part of delta have negative relation with wave. So all delta can never be wave. So this option is true. This conclusion is true. Next, no river is a beach. So here we have river, here we have beach, and as I told you, if conclusion is a definite conclusion and there is no relation between any two elements, that conclusion will be false. So no river is beach is a false conclusion. So what is our answer? Again, A. Okay, let's solve the next question. Question number 6. What is the first statement? All plants are tree. So I will draw all plants inside tree. Okay. Next, only a few trees are ship. So some tree are ship, you can see here, and some tree are not ship. So here you can see this is the negative part of tree, okay, which have, this is a part of tree which have no relation with or negative relation with this ship. So it means this plant and ship have no relation. Next, no ship is a bike. So no ship is a bike. So this is bike and negative relation. So none of the part of ship belongs to this bike and vice versa. Okay, so this is the diagram. Now check the conclusion. First conclusion, some plants are not bike. So where we have plant, so here we have plant and here we have bike, and we can easily see there is no relation between this plant and bike. So whenever there is no relation between any two element, no definite conclusion is possible. Okay, so this is a definite conclusion, so this is a wrong conclusion. Next, all plant can never be ship. So they are saying all plant can never be ship. This is also false, because this plant we can draw inside ship, because these plant and ship, these are two different elements which have no relation between each other. So whenever there are two elements having no relation between each other, every possibility is possible in those cases. So this all plant can never be ship is a false statement. So here we have two cross here, so we can check it for what, either or condition, because there are two possible answer for these two conclusion, neither nor or either or. So what are the condition for either or? First, both the conclusion individually must be wrong, so they both are wrong. Second, both element must be common. Okay, here two element are plant and bike, here plant and ship, so elements are different, so it does not satisfy the condition of either or. Means what is our answer? So answer is option D, neither nor. So next question, all A are B. So all A is a part of B. Next, some B are C, some B are C, no C is D, no C is D. So none of the part of C belongs to D. So why I highlight it, why I always highlight it, because it become easy for us to identify which part have negative relation with other elements. So here we can see all this C have negative relation with D, and some part of B is also having negative relation with D. Okay, so this is the advantage to highlight the circles. Next, no A is D. So we can see this A also have negative relation with the D. So we can highlight it with some other color, like here I have chosen yellow color. So we can see there is a negative relation between A as well as D, between A and D. So now just go through the conclusion. So first conclusion, at least some C are A. So here we have C and here we have A. At least is equivalent to some. So we can consider it as some C are A. But here we can see there is no relation between C and A. They are not either intersecting or overlapping each other. So this conclusion is false. This conclusion is false. Next, all B are definitely not D. So they are saying all B are definitely not D. Yes, this is true. As you can see, some part of B having negative relation with D. So all part of B cannot be, all B cannot be a part of D. So what is our answer in this question? Option B, only second conclusion follows. Next question, only a few C are D, means some C are D, some C are not D. Next, only few D are E means some D are E and some D are not E. Next, some E are F. So, some E are F. So, this is the diagram for this statement. Now, check the conclusion. What is first conclusion? All E being D is a possibility. So, what they are saying? All E being D, or we can also consider it as all E can be D. So, yes, all E can be part of D because D, some part of D is not E, but all E can be inside D. So, this is true. All E can be D is true. Second, all D being F is a possibility. So, here we can see this D here and F, they are both having no relation with each other. So, whenever any two elements have no relation with each other, any possibility is possible there. So, this second conclusion also follows. So, what is our answer in this case? E. Both 1 and 2 follows. Next, all bike are motor. So, all bike are motor. Some bike are cycle. So, here some bike are cycle. So, I will draw it like this. I will not draw C inside M because there is no information regarding the relation between C and M. So, if I draw some part of C with B, automatically some part of C comes inside M. Okay, so this is how we draw this diagram. Some C are B means some cycle are bike. Next, no cycle is a car. So, I will represent this cycle with C, Y. No cycle is car, CR. So, there is a negative relation between cycle and car. So, this is how we draw it. Next, some car are buses. So, some car are buses. So, this is bike and this is bus. So, this is the diagram. So, what are the conclusion? First conclusion, some car are not bike. So, here we have car and here we have bike. So, they are saying some car are not bike, which is false. Why it is false? Because here we cannot say or we cannot tell like which part of car having negative relation with bike, but we can say this part of bike have negative relation with car. So, this is a special case, and in this case this conclusion will be wrong. Second, no bus is a motor. So, bus is here and motor is here. So, there is no relation between bus and motor, and for no relation we should have 100% negative relation between any two element. So, if we want to make all the bus should not belong to motor, so they should have 100% negative relation between them, but here it is not like that. So, this conclusion is also false. So, what is our answer? Neither 1 or 2. Why? Because in both the conclusion the elements are different. Okay, now so this is the last question of today's class. So, let's solve this question. First statement, no, only a few cherry are Tom. So, only a few, some cherry are Tom and some cherry are not Tom. Next, no cherry is cat. So, no cherry is cat. So, I will draw a cat and there is negative relation means none of the part of cherry belongs to this cat. Next, some rat are cat. So, some rat are cat. So, this is the final diagram here. So, first conclusion, some rat can be cherry. So, here you can see in rat we have some white part, and white part means possibility is there. So, there is no direct relation between cherry and rat. So, this part of rat can belong to cherry. So, this conclusion is true. Some rat can be cherry, yes. Next, some cat can never be Tom. So, here we can see, here we have Tom and here we have cat, and they have no relation between each other. And in this case, cat is a subject and Tom is predicate. So, I can place this cat fully inside this Tom. So it means all the cat can be Tom. But here they are saying some cat can never be Tom, which is not true. So this conclusion is false. So what is our answer in this case? Option A. So these were all the 10 questions which you might see in the upcoming IBPS exam. So if you have any doubt related to any question, you can write it in the comment section. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe this channel. And thank you very much for watching this video.